Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your Ashita from my channel Ashita Related. As usual, today also in this video I gonna review a product. So the product is from La French perfume gift set, and this is for both men and women, and this for a man. So guys, I'm gonna review this further. So if you guys are interested in this video, you can proceed further, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe me. Then without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Friends, if you're seeking for a best gift for man or woman, I think this is the best gift. That is a perfume sent from a La French. So friends, you can see the packaging here, how luxury it is. So guys, you can see the box, and if I open this, you can see the perfume. It's so colorful and it is so attractive, and you can see it is of 4 of each 20 ml, and you'll get 4 of 80 ml total. And here all the description has been given about the perfumes, and this is of niche edition of luxury perfume. It has 4 different bottles with the different names. In this box of 4, the very first one, this one purple one, it is called as Euphoria, and this one is Invoke, and this one is Mood Swings, and this one is Happiness. So guys, it has 4 different names with the 4 different fragrance. So guys, the very first perfume is this Mood Swings. So guys, this is of Mood Swings and this is of 20 ml. So let me apply to my skin. Wow, it is so mild. It is so mild, guys. It is not at all harsh. It is so mild and smooth. So this one, you can feel a smooth and floral fragrance. This pink one, that is of Mood Swings, floral and some smooth fragrance, not harsh at all. So guys, this is the very second one I'm reviewing, that is of Invoke, and this is also of 20 ml. Let me open, let me shake, and let me spray here, and let me leave for some times. Oh, so guys, this is of some spicy and aqua fragrance. Friends, those who love spicy and aqua fragrance, then this is definitely for them. And since this box has 4 different fragrance, then you need to choose in each and every day which to put, because it is so good, guys. And you'll get with a luxury package. You can gift to anyone else too. And here is my third perfume. It's crystal clear bottle, and it is of well designed. So this is of Happiness. So let me put to my skin. Let me shake well and put here, and let me leave for 5 seconds, and let me you can see some mint flavored. So it is also so mild. It is not at all harsh. It gives you a mint vibe. So guys, coming to my last perfume of this box is this purple one, that is of Euphoria, and you can see the bottle over here. So let me put on my skin and let me review. And let me gonna leave for 5 seconds. Wow, this is so good, guys. It is fresh fruity smell. Wow, it is so mild and it is so good. All perfumes are super good, guys, but my favorite is this purple and pink one, that is Mood Swings and Euphoria, because it has floral and it has fruity extract. So I literally love this too. So if you want to know about the ingredients, all it's mentioned here, you can read it off. And here in the box it is of 849 rupees, but this product is available in e-commerce website. If you check in the Amazon, you get this for only 470 plus rupees. And the small disclaimer that a price might be varying, and if you want to buy this product, the product link will be on my description. You can go and check it out once. And friends, these perfumes are allergy tested. There is no parabens. So guys, coming to the main part, longevity, how long it stays. And according to my experience, it lasts about 6 to 7 hours maximum. I think this is the perfect perfume for long lasting, because I've been trying many perfumes, but it doesn't last me so long. Like, it doesn't last me more than 3 hours, but for me it lasts for up to 6 to 7 hours maximum. So guys, coming to the benefits, you can give this beautiful box to any of your friends or family, and best part is it is unisex. Both men and women can use this perfume. If you apply this perfume, definitely it is so attractive, and it can also enhance your mood because the fragrance is too mild and it gives you super active the whole day, I can say. And also I can say it boosts up your confidence because of fragrance is long lasting, so that's the reason. And another best part is it is of only 400 plus in Amazon. That's the best part, because for only one perfume you need to pay more than 500 if it is long lasting and good fragrance perfume. But this is, you will get 4 perfumes, and that too of different flavors, and you're getting only for 470 plus. That's the best part. And this perfume is crafted by imported oil for extra long lasting fragrance. So guys, the next question is whether it's worth to buy or not. For me, yeah, it's definitely worth to buy because it's of low cost and the results are so good, so it's definitely worth to buy. So guys, the next question is whether I will recommend this perfume for you or not. Yes, I definitely gonna recommend, because this is best for gifting purpose. You can gift for any of your family member, so I gonna definitely recommend this, and I suggest just buy this once and just try it, and you can find your own results. Friends, apart from this perfume, I also bought the La French, another perfume for only for men. It's not for women, it's only for a man. And I bought this for gifting to my family. So I gonna gift this for my husband. So I bought this. So here you can see the box, and here all the instruction has been given, and what are the flavors it's been given over here, and the ingredients has been given over here. And this is also, it's of 849 as this, but you can find this perfume box on Amazon for 470 plus, so you can go and check it out there. And here also you'll get 4 different perfumes, each of 20 ml. And here is the magnet, and you can stick or remove like this, and here is the perfume. You can see it is so attractive, I can say. So guys, this is the very first perfume I'm gonna review. You can see the bottle, it is well designed, and it is of 20 ml. So each is of 20 ml, and a total you get of 80 ml. And the flavor name is of Paris. So let me test with the fragrance. I'm gonna shake it and apply on this sheet of paper, because I already tested in my hand, so I don't gonna mix it up. And let me leave for some seconds. Oh my god, it is so mild. Wow. Feel the dynamic vibes of Paris, definitely. And it is super good, guys. So coming to my next perfume, that is of this orange color. It is of 20 ml and it is named as New York. And let me take another paper and let me test. Yeah, let me leave for some seconds. And let me close this. Oh my god. Wow, this is super good. I think it definitely gonna give you energetic vibes of New York. Yeah, it's so good. It is so good. So let me try the next one, that which is of green one. which is of Rio. And let me take another sheet of paper, let me test it, and let me shake well, and let me spray. Let me leave for 5 seconds. You can feel a magnetic vibes. Wow, this is so good. You can feel a so costly perfume smell. It is like that. I'm feeling it is of 10,000 rupees. So good, guys. Literally all perfumes are so good. So let me test this last one. Tokyo Men. Wow. This is also super cool. It feels similar to the Aqua, a sensational vibes. And this is also so good, guys. Literally, I from four I loved this New York, and I loved this Rio too, and I loved this Tokyo Man too. But my personal favorite is this one, which is of New York. But this is for men, it's not for women. And as I said you before, for this perfume, this is also allergy tested. There is no parabens, and benefits are same as this perfume. Friends, I think both of these perfumes are definitely worth to buy, and I think you can try this once by purchasing, and you can feel the fragrance. So guys, both product links will be on my description. You can go and check it out in Amazon if you are interested. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you so much.